Need to fix SNAP EBT payment error? Then, in this video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to the application SNAP EBT. Once you're inside the application, you need to make sure to log in into your account. Once logged in, you will need to check your balance. Well, you need to make sure that you have enough SNAP balance. Sometimes the balance might be low and it might cause the payment fails instantly. Once you've checked the balance, the next thing you want to do is turn off VPN. Head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on VPN and Device Management. Make sure that the VPN is turned off. SNAP payments often fails if your location is hidden. So simply turn it off before doing any of the payment. After that, you need to update or restart the application. So head over to the App Store on a device. In the search bar, search for SNAP EBT. Move into SNAP EBT app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Once it has been updated, now the next thing you can try doing is uninstall the application and then reinstall it. After that, you will need to try re-entering the EBT details. Remove your EBT card from the app and add it again carefully. Sometimes wrong PIN or expired information can cause error. So make sure to check it out. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is to check internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. Weak connection can stop payment processing. So make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Once done, now head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Chrome. In the address bar, you need to search for SNAP EBT outage. From there, you can check whether the server of SNAP EBT is down or not. Move into Down Detector. Well, if the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.